Students, I have brought one more project for your convenience, that is on Indian cuisines, means on Indian food you can say. So whole data analysis has been done in detail in this project, and this is made specially for IP students because I have used it. I have used CSV files in this project. Okay, students, let us start with it. In this, I have made 4 CSV files. First is in country file. It contains 2 columns, cuisine count and light. Okay, you can see 2 columns are here, 2 attributes are here. Next is dishes file. After serial number, I have given dish name like veg biryani, Hyderabadi biryani, dal bati, dhokla, misal pav, sandesh, lassi and sarson ka saag. And in this, one field is what is the type of diet, that is it vegetarian or non-vegetarian. Only one item is non-veg, otherwise others are vegetarian. Then category, main course, main course, main course. Then snacks are there, sweets are there, sweets, sandesh is there, that is the sweets. Then drink is there, only one drink is there. Then when again one more course, main course. So in whole there are 4 main courses. Next is consumption file. It contains dish name, Delhi, Bihar and Maharashtra. Means it is all the data is given in percentage. Like in Delhi, how many like to eat veg biryani? In Bihar, 90%. In Delhi also same. Then in Maharashtra only 80%. Then Hyderabadi biryani in Delhi 70, Bihar 20, Maharashtra 60. Then dal bati 60, 100 and 50 respectively for Delhi, Bihar and Maharashtra and so on. So this is the data contained in consumption file. Now next is dish detail file. What does it contain? It contains the dish name and the ingredients. Suppose first you take veg biryani. The ingredients are rice, spices, vegetables, oil. In Hyderabadi, chicken, onion, tomato, spices and oil. Okay. Similarly, for other dishes also, dal bati, atta, sattu, dal, ghee. Okay, students. For lassi, curd and sugar. Sandesh, cheese, sugar and rose water. So these are the contents in the file, dish detail file. It contains the ingredients of each dish. Now I am coming to the coding part. See here, I have used the def menu. First I am importing pandas and matplotlib.pyplot. This is for making the plots, and this is the pandas library. It will be used in the coding. Now in the module menu, I have given the following options. There are 20 options in it. It contains 20. See here, first is know about the project, reading file in country, reading file consumption, reading file dish detail, then reading file dishes. Then group by type of food, veg or non-veg. Next is group by dish name. Then find out categories of food items. Find out number of ingredients while preparing a dish. Find out maximum consumption of the food item in Delhi. Find out minimum consumption of the food item in Bihar. Sort dishes names. Then display specific column. Display 5 records from top and 5 from bottom. Then line plot, line 1 plot, then bar plot, and of course bar plot, bar horizontal bar is also there, and bar H1 is also there. So there are some little difference between these two of the attributes regarding their attributes. Then pie plot is also there. In total there are 20 options. Now first is about the project is developed on Indian cuisine analysis. See here, I have used the slash here. This is not the slash, this is actually backslash here because I'm using the enter. The line was becoming very long, so there was a problem while reading it. So I use this backslash here. Indian cuisine consists of a variety of regional and traditional cuisines native to the Indian subcontinent. In most popular cuisines across the world are Italian, Japanese, Chinese and Indian. Italian food is world's most popular. Indian cuisine ranks 9th. This is the actual data I have taken from internet. Original data is taken from internet. I have taken a sample of 9 countries only. It contained many countries, 23 or 28 countries you can find on the internet. You can add more countries in your CSV files, but I have just taken only 9 because 9th is the India. The project contains 20 options including 7 plots. First is read in country. Okay, I'm going to first show you all the screenshots here. In the same way, students, you have to take the screenshots of the coding, and you have to paste the CSV part also. In Excel, you make the CSV files. I am told you how to make the files. Just make or save the data in Excel and save as should be CSV files. See here, all the plots, every coding is here for every module. And the last, you are giving the all the options. Elif ladder is there. Then in the last, else option, print invalid option, and the sound here. Now comes the output part. See here, this is the menu. First time when you run it, then it shows successfully connected. Then after that, see here, all the options are here. Okay, all the 20 options. When I run for 0 option, it is giving all the detail of the project. Just now I read for you. Then number 1, then cuisine, countries names, Italian cuisine, Chinese cuisine, Japanese cuisine, Thai cuisine, French cuisine, Spanish cuisine, American, Mexican, Indian, and then Turkish. So like this is a percentage of liked. Like Italian cuisine is like 24%, 84% in throughout the world. Next, choice 2, reading file consumption. See here, consumption, like any dish like lassi. It is consumed 90% in Delhi, 90% in Bihar, and 80% in Maharashtra. Number 4, reading file dishes. It contains dishes names, type of diet, means it is veg or non-veg, then category, whether it is a main course or snacks or sweets or any drink. Then number 5, dish name, type of diet, and type of diet. See here, I'm grouping it. Number 5, you can see that was, see here in the menu, number 5. Okay, I've given the main menu only for the first time, then rest these choices are I'm grouping here, like non-veg is only 1 and vegetarian is of 7 types. Okay, like this. Number 6 is there, dish name and the ingredients it is showing. Then dish name, dal bati contains 5 ingredients, dhokla contains 3 ingredients only, veg biryani contains 4 ingredients, and so on. Now see, choice 7, when number of categories of foods are 4. 4 categories means 1 is main course, 2 snacks, 3 sweets, 4 drinks. Okay, so there are 4 categories. All the coding I'll be showing you one by one, and I'll be running the project also. Now choice number 8. See number 8, dish name, dal bati 5, number of ingredients in a dish, all the dishes and their ingredients. Okay, then next is number 9, the highest consumable item percentage in Delhi and other states. See here answer, dhokla, that is the most consumed item in Delhi, and the percentage is 95% in Delhi, Bihar 70. Full row it is giving you all the records for the comparative study. Then next is number 10, least consumable item in Bihar percentages, that is 20% only. See here 20% Hyderabadi biryani. Next is number 11, sorting dishes names in ascending order. See D, H, L, M, S, S, V. So like this, it is in ascending order. Next is number 12, show only dish name and consumption, only specific fields you want to see. Like in Delhi, only you want to see the dish name which is consumed in Delhi. All the dishes consumed in Delhi, veg biryani, Hyderabad biryani, dal bati 60%, dhoklas 95%, misal pav 45%, and so on. Next is number 13, enter 5 cuisines of world. In this I've used top and bottom. Like for top I have taken these only 5 records here, Italian, Chinese, Japanese, Thai, and French. And least liked cuisines, these are the most liked from the top, and least liked are from the bottom. Like these are Spanish, American, Mexican, Indian, and Turkish. Now see, I have showed you 4 that I'll be using 7 plots here. Records of percentage of dishes eaten in Delhi. It is only for Delhi. See here the names, veg biryani, Hyderabadi biryani, see, and the marker is here. It is 90. Okay, and it is dal bati, it is 60. So on. Misal pav, it is only 20%, like this. It was number 14. Then for number 15, again line plot, but with the grade and the like percentage. Consumed the dishes consumed in Delhi, veg biryani, Hyderabadi biryani, and everything. And here it is showing the percentage of the consumable item. Next is number 16. In the bar graph, I have shown again the same thing, but in Bihar. In Bihar, the percentage of dishes consumed. Okay, the percentage is given here. I've shown the database also, the data frame also regarding all the plots. Then next is number 17. See here, I have used two different colors, red, green alternatively. I'll show you the coding, students. I'll explain you that also. See here, pie plot. In this, I've used another method. In this, I've given the values for in the square brackets. The instruction is given. Enter values for any food item consumption in Delhi, Bihar, Maharashtra in square brackets. Okay, any item. For example, you want to see the pie plot for veg biryani. So you have to give 90, 90 and 80. See, the same I've given. And see here, Delhi 34.6, 34.6 because they are 90%. Okay, then Maharashtra 30.8%. So that has been exploded coming apart. Next is number 19, that is horizontal bar. Again, the items are here and it is showing the consumption in Bihar of these items. The percentage, it is shown in the percentage. And the colors you can see, I will be changing. Here I've taken green, there orange color. Then cuisines of countries and liked in percentage. Now this is based on the various countries like Turkish cuisine and the percentage that is that cuisine or that food is liked in the world, all over the world. Indian cuisine, Mexican cuisine and so on. That was number 20. Okay students, now let's come to spider window. See here, import pandas as PD, matplot, lib.pyplot as PLT. See here, I have shown you all these menus. Now I'm going to run one by one each option for you in front of you. Okay, enter a choice. Hold the menu is number 0 starting with 0 and coming to last number. I'll start with 0. See here, all the detail I've already read for you. So it is giving all the detail about this project. So here I've given in the print statement. All whatever you want to write here, you can write. Then next one is number 1, reading file in country. Number 1, in country, reading file. See here, cuisine country, the names of the cuisines of the countries, then their liked percentage. That was number 1. Now number 2 is reading file consumption. Let us run it. Number 2, reading file consumption. It contains dish name, Delhi, Bihar and Maharashtra. I've already explained to you students. Number 3, that is reading file dish detail. Think all the data, dishes names and the ingredients in preparing those dishes. That was number 3. Now number 4, reading file dishes. In this, dish name, type of diet and category. Okay, done. Now let us run again. Number 5. See here, I'll show you these are the simple reading the files like in this read country pd.read_csv. In the parenthesis, you give the path, complete path, like in C drive, users, Artijagi, desktop in country.csv. This is the name of the file. Index call is equal to 0 because it doesn't look nice when I don't want to see the index here like 0, 1, 2, 3. I already have the serial number, so index number was not required at all. So similarly, I'm reading the in country file, read in consumption, then read dish detail, then I read dishes also. Now group by. This is the group by. This is the 5th option. I'm grouping here. Non-veg only 1 and veg how many dishes are there? Only 7. 1 and 7. This is the type of diet you want to see. Now see df dot, see the coding, df dot group by type of diet, then category dot count. It has counted and displayed you like this. Okay, let us run again. Now number 6, group by dish name. Number 6. See here. Dal bati 5 ingredients, dhokla 3, biryani 5, lassi 3, sandesh 3 and veg biryani 4. Like this. Here df dot group by dish name ingredients dot count. Okay, this was number 6. Let us run for number 7. Number 7, find out the categories of food items. See here, categories, number of categories of food items are 4. How they are 4? 1 is main course, then snacks, then sweets and drinks. Ingredients, see here, group by, df dot group by dish name, then ingredients dot count. Number 7 is done for you students. Number 8, find out number of ingredients while preparing a dish. See here, dal bati 5, dhokla 3, Hyderabadi biryani 5, lassi 3 and so on. This I've already shown in the project documentation, okay, where I showed you the screenshots. Number 8 is done for you. Now number 9, find out maximum consumption. Number 9, maximum consumption. See the coding part here. df.delhi is equal to df.delhi.max. See here. It is giving the serial number 4. It is Dhokla 95. This is the maximum number. See, you can see 90, 70, 60, 95. 95 is the maximum, and it is showing the respective percentage in the other states also, like in Bihar 70 and then 90 in Maharashtra. That was maximum consumption. Now come to point option number 10. 10 is done. No, 10 will be running now. Okay, now least consumable item percentage in Bihar. In Bihar, least consumable item, that is a percentage that is only 20%. Min consumption, df.bihar.min. Number 10 is done for you. Number 11. Now see number 11, sort dish name. See DHL. I'm sorting here. How? df.sort values dish name, comma ascending is equal to true. If you give it false, then it will give in descending order. Starting with V biryani, sarson ka saag, sandesh, misal pav, and so on. Number 11 is done for you. Now let us run number 12. That is display specific column. Okay, let us see specific column. I have given here consumption file. See, use calls is equal to dish name, comma, Delhi. You can give here the columns names of your choice, whichever you want to see. That is the only coding for this. Now let us run number 13. 13 is display 5 records from top and 5 from bottom. Means from top, most liked things, and from the bottom, least liked or least consumed number. That is number 13. Least consumed item, food item in the world. See here, top and bottom. For this, you have to use df.head. I have not given any number in this parenthesis, no number, no parameters. So it is giving by default only 5 records. I can give, if I give here 2, it will give only show, it will show only 2 records. And from the bottom, df.tail. So these are the less consumed cuisines liked in the world. 13 is also done. Let us run number 14. That is the line plot. Now line plots and every plot is starting. I'm going to expand this window. See here, plot. This is a line plot. I just show you. See the coding part also. In this, you can see, because actually the names were very long. They were overlapping. So I gave this command, this option, rotation is equal to 30 degree. Okay. At least given here, then all the names are here. At x-axis, x is equal to df dish name, y is equal to df Delhi. So it is the dishes, percent of dishes eaten in Delhi. Okay, x comma y comma marker is equal to x, and line style is dashed, and line width is 4. You can increase or change the colors. I have taken yellow color. You can take different color also. So 14 is done for you. Let us run number 15. That is again a plot. See here, I can increase the size of this window. See here, the liked percentage. See the coding part also. Here again, Delhi. Then plot, you are plotting for Delhi. X label dish name, Y label Delhi. All the dishes are here. Dishes names are here. I have again used rotation is equal to 30 because names were very long. Legend. This is the legend dot plt dot legend. So it is showing here percentage like. This is called legend. And I have taken plt dot grid. At the background, you see these gray colored lines, this graph sort of thing. This is called grid. So that is true. True and false, whenever it is given, it starts with capital. Okay. Now this one is done for you. This was 15. I'm going to run for number 16. See here, this is a bar graph. This is a bar plot. See here, plt.bar x comma y color is equal to red comma green. You can give the colors of your choice, and x label showing the dishes names, and y label is showing the Bihar, the percentage in Bihar, the dishes percentage in Bihar. Okay, done. 16 is done. Let us run number 17. See here. Now this is the coding regarding this plot, this bar plot. See here, cuisine count, cuisine countries, then liked. Then X label cuisines of countries, and Y label liked in percentage. See here the names of the countries, the names of the cuisines, Russian, Italian, Japanese, Thai, and so on. And you are using these commands, plt.bar x comma y color is equal to red comma green, and plt.show. So that is also done. Number 17 is done for you. Now number 18. Okay, here we have to give the value. See the message. Enter values for any food item consumption in Delhi, Bihar, Maharashtra. Suppose I want to take for veg biryani. Okay, that is 90, 90 and 80. I have to give the values in square brackets. 90, 90, 80 and square brackets close. I gave here 090 and the end I have to close with square brackets. Press the enter key. See here the graph is in front of you. Because two were same, 90, 90. See the percentage is same calculated. 34.6, 34.6 same in Delhi and Bihar. In Maharashtra it is less, little less, that is 30.8 and it has been exploded. See the diagram, see the coding part also. The third part 0, 0, 0.2. This is a distance between the exploded part and the rest of the part. So here Z comma colors is equal to color, like colors I've given here, red, orange, purple. Then labels is equal to items, right? Items is equal to Delhi, Bihar, Maharashtra. Explode is equal to EXPL. It I have given here, I have mentioned here, auto percentage, and that's it. Then PLT dot show. It was number 18. Now let us run for number 19. See here, this is the bar H. Bar H means horizontal plot. Again, these all the food items are here and the consumption is showing in Bihar. So if this project is mainly based on data analysis. So a lot of work is done on the data analysis. So here again the color is changed, edge color is black. You can see here, this is the bar edge, PLT dot bar edge, PLT dot show. 19 is also done for you. Now the last option, that is number 20. See here. Now for this one, you can see color is equal to green, edge color is equal to red. Okay, and X label is liked in percentage. See here, liked in percentage. Title is given to you. Then Y label is country. These are the cuisines: Turkish, Indian, Mexican. These are the percentages. Okay, students. So till 20 I have done. If I give some other number, instead of 20, I should give 21. Let us try what happens. Invalid option and little window sign also, sound also. Okay, same way you have to make the project, students. All the best. Do not forget to subscribe the channel. Brilliant Minds by Neeru. Okay, take care, students. All the best. Prepare well for your projects.